Okay, and now if you are choosing to do the watercolor painting, I have this watercolor paper. Choose a larger or a smaller size, pick one. Choose a palette. So I have two types. One only has 8 colors, one has 16. Pick a palette. They have a brush in here, but I do have extra brushes back here. These cups right here, you're gonna take to the sink, fill with water for, changing colors. And then you can take a few paper towels, to dab your brush as needed. All right, so if you're doing watercolor painting, here are your supplies. At the end of class, you would take your water that you were rinsing the colors in, dump it down the drain, rinse out the cup, and then just leave it in the sink like that to dry, okay? That's what you would do if you are doing the watercolor. You're not gonna set it back on this pile, but we're gonna reuse the cups during the process. All right, so there's everything for watercolor.